you've learned the rule. Words that end with O are masculine. Words that end with A are feminine. Easy. But then you met el problema and la mano. Suddenly, nothing makes sense. Why is a problem masculine and a hand feminine? It feels random, but it's not. So today, we're going to be cutting through the confusion. We're going to be breaking down the 3 main steps of exceptions and with simple hacks so you can stop guessing the gender of these words and finally get them right. So firstly, the ma gang. It's all Greek. First up, masculine nouns that end with A. This is a classic case of language borrowing. A bunch of words from Greek ending in ma, pa, or ta keep their gender when they move into Spanish. In this case, they're masculine. Think of them as the ma gang. La problema, wrong. El problema. El sistema, the system. El programa, el clima, el mapa. Yes, mapa is also in this gang. So the hack is, if it ends with ma, pa, usually it will almost always be one of the guys. Secondly, the shortened sisters. So these are feminine nouns that end with O. These are easy. They're basically just the shortened versions of longer, obviously feminine words. So the main ones you'll use can be summarized into 3 of them. Firstly, photography. La fotografía is just la foto. La motocicleta is just la moto. La radiodifusión is simple. It's la radio. So if it's a clipped casual word, it keeps the gender of its full version. And in this case, it's feminine. If you're finding these hacks helpful, hit subscribe. We'll drop new no-fluff Spanish and linguistics videos discovering culture and the fun part of all languages around the world. Then, we have the rebel exceptions. These you'll just have to memorize. So we have the masculine words ending in A. This is el día, el sofá, el tranvía, which is the tram. Then you also have some feminine words that will also end with O. This will be la mano, la modelo, la testigo, which is the witness. So make a quick mnemonic to memorize this. You can think of my day on the sofa, I hurt my hand. El día, el sofá, la mano. So to recap, you have 3 main groups that we've talked through this video. The first of them are the ma gang. So these are Greek origin words which keep their original gender and are masculine. Secondly, you have the shortened sisters. These are clipped words which keep their feminine gender. And thirdly, we have the rebels. So now, your turn. Drop a practice sentence in the comments using one of these exceptions. Hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and we'll see you in the next video.